Harpreet Himba. और फिर तुम ही हुए कुहेना लैरी एलिसन becomes world's richest person. Dike ke chupo brahimi ha apki hi pok. Itonen issue way. Hakko pizitari de hit hena. Hi. Oracle ashikha epi kumepi tu hipi ipjiti lalageri thi अतर नेलेपी भी हिटी थी पीपू में ची ची. हाँ अपनुष्टि अपनी खेत को प्रुमी और के टी थी हित को पोही शुपपे थी हेम चुबेठा तिकरी थी. तुम्हें चुबो कपकी सिन हेडिर अपनी हो युहो हाथन टीप कर दे एह साम्र काइजसाय इह केफिरा कुबरा वही थु हाथो तुबोपुरी शिन्नी को करने वही थी साम्र डायरी में कब भी मिले तुबुमी जिम्मकी को ईर हुए खाप पुबी उमी इह के में Oracle pumu पस पुमेंग हितो फिप्टेरा Oracle लितोशिया अब क कम इपा खरीसिप से सस्ती थी हुआ सपह हिपी मिले ही निन्निन्यूं काइजी भी हिम ही भी Oracle जीम से तिकुथी पी थी हिकुलुकी एक पक्केकिंग Oracle पुमी अब खप्पा हपका हम शिष्टेजे हपलोकोक पपेंटी wie betrassig vor, bepi, du kete, kai beitrag ICD, one kek. Tu Oracle S&P 500, I hatak ni plurksik chipka, sempit karite, ekte, kukune. AI, 3 phakura, apka ukuhit piki. AI, ekne hin phapka prakimik. Oracle bu pupuhu, pata, kis, uki, or titi, puku pikune. क्लाउड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आईटी है बाय हु कनेक्ट ही है कोशेंजी हटफोशी फेरी टीपू में जुपा के कुने Amazon Google ज Microsoft ई Oracle ले हिटे AI मुफेरी Oracle एक पुपी कुने तुम जय पेडी थी वन Oracle मेनू शिचित का हाँ फरूक तपर का हुआ ही की प्रीचीजा लिंगो सेबरी चेरन जेती जे हतुंथी हपपी Oracle चिशेक्टी कुमे Oracle पुमु सीचु 48% खुप अपुमु के 1.1 लुक से हाँ फेरी थीम चे हाँ कुम्ही भी गए कायचनिश आइट फस्टेटर लाना युक्का ये कुही चे सेम चे जेती हिर अतमुमही बफे किप्टेव हाँ इथो निशबाई हाँ तू कुमरी सुपही क्या Hudara Stargate AI हुआ हिप हॉप हो को जह पे चीम से टीप निशबीम से चेक अपुन थी इतोपी अपथी चीगा थी का पति इधर निशबी ट्विटर पक कपता के येना कर रही थी एक ही थी इजलिक हमने के में बेशे इंदगे पुचोर कांपु इनसे ये हुआ खत का हचिबिएट चे की दी कुम्हें को तनी पक्ची में दे 김사크 허브레 고체 기피 예닝이 지질러티 기기 부질라빠드 꾸디너허 허미케 퍼프 그너나 Oracle टीम हो पदकीथी से AI बीडी में बात से हदरिया चिचिगिया प्रकीर्त थी पीले English the biggest one-day wealth gain in history. On September 10, 2025, Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, became the world's richest person after gaining $101 billion in a single day. This was the largest one-day wealth increase ever recorded in the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, surpassing Elon Musk. The 81-year-old Ellison's total net worth soared to $393 billion, surpassing Elon Musk's $385 billion. Musk had held the title of world's richest person for nearly a year. Oracle stock skyrockets. Ellison's wealth surge came after Oracle's stock price jumped by as much as 43% in a single day. This was Oracle's biggest single-day gain since 1992. The stock surge added approximately $244 billion to Oracle's market value, bringing it to $922 billion. This propelled Oracle from being the 13th most valuable company in the S&P 500 to the 10th most valuable, surpassing Eli Lilly, Walmart, and JP Morgan Chase. AI boom behind the rise. The dramatic increase was driven by demand for AI, artificial intelligence. Oracle signed 4 multi-billion-dollar contracts in a single quarter. The company projected its cloud infrastructure revenue would reach $144 billion within 5 years, up from a previous forecast of $18 billion. Oracle's multi-cloud partnerships with Amazon, Google, and Microsoft strengthened its position in the AI era. Who is Larry Ellison? Age: 81 years old. Position: Executive Chairman and Chief Technology Officer of Oracle. Founding: started Oracle in 1977 after dropping out of college. Oracle shares owns 41% of the company, approximately 1.16 billion shares. Additional facts: Ellison owns 98% of the Hawaiian island of Lanai. He is a close ally of President Donald Trump and was a primary partner in the $500 billion Stargate AI infrastructure project announced in January 2025. He has a long-standing friendship with Elon Musk, having agreed to invest $1 billion in Musk's Twitter purchase in 2022. Brief leadership. While Ellison became the world's richest person for several hours on Wednesday by market close, Musk had returned to the top spot, leading by about $1 billion. However, Ellison's achievement demonstrates the immense power of his Oracle holdings and his company's pivotal role in the AI age. The rankings. As of September 10, 2025, the top wealthiest people include Larry Ellison, Elon Musk, $383 to $393 billion, depending on timing. Mark Zuckerberg, Meta founder, Jeff Bezos, Amazon founder, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google co-founders. Looking forward, Oracle's strong AI infrastructure position and massive cloud computing contracts suggest that Ellison's wealth could continue to grow as AI adoption accelerates across industries worldwide. Note: Pufaneshe 2025 Hikir Kritti Chile Kik और फेंगी चेक हेका का हा पहटा और फिर चीक भागा. This information is based on September 2025 data. Wealth rankings can change daily due to stock market fluctuations.